Hi, friends. It's a beautiful day in the meadow. I love to hop and play. Hey, Truffles, what are you doing up there?
Hi, Bunny. I'm collecting corn. Will you help me?
Sure, but first let's play a fun game.
What game do you want to play?
Let's learn about addition. It's like magic.
Ooh, I love magic. How do we do it?
Look, I have 2 apples.
Yay! Apples are my favorite.
And I have 3 bananas.
Wow! That's a lot of fruit.
Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, 2 apples plus 3 bananas equals 5 fruits.
Let's try another example, Truffles.
Yes, why not?
Okay, so tell me if I have 4 strawberries and you gave me 2 more. So how many strawberries will I have in total?
Now you have 6 strawberries.
Good job! Truffle, you are very good at addition now.
Keep counting and having fun.
Thanks for joining us, friends. Remember, addition is fun.